Jesus continued to learn more and more, to grow physically, and people liked him and he pleased God. That is another version of the same verse, Luke 2:52. Another version says he became strong and he could understand more and more things. Isinilang si Jesus, ipinakita nun yung human side niya, hindi niya alam lahat agad. He kept on growing in knowledge that he was able to understand more and more things. At bakit kailangan mangyari sa kanya yon bilang model natin? Kasi tayo rin pwedeng maging ganon. In fact, dapat maging ganon. Na patuloy lumago ng lumago ang isip, lalong lumiwanag ang pag-unawa natin sa mga bagay-bagay. So Jesus grew into a balanced person. At ngayon pa lang, nagsisimula pa lang tayo ng pag-aaral, gusto kong ilagay na natin sa isip natin kung anong gagawin natin sa pag-aaral natin ngayon. Na ang ending nito dapat ay sundan, tularan, gayahin ang halimbawa ni Jesus. Iisa-isahin natin ang nangyaring growth sa Kanya at agad-agad isipin nyo, paano ko mag-grow in that way? Paano ko matutularan o masusundan si Jesus?